I've been reviewing the Atome credit card throughout 2025, and it presents an interesting alternative for those looking for flexible payment options without the traditional requirements of standard credit cards. But there are some key details you need to consider before applying. The Atome card works as a buy now, pay later solution and operates on the MasterCard network, which means it can be used almost anywhere MasterCard is accepted. It allows users to make purchases up to a limit of PHP 200,000 and pay them off in installments of up to 6 months. One of its most attractive features is the 40-day interest-free repayment window, as long as the full balance is paid off on time. The application process is relatively simple. There's no minimum income requirement, and approvals are typically fast. Since it's backed by Asia United Bank, it carries some institutional credibility and is accessible to a broad range of consumers. That said, the Atome card isn't without drawbacks. If you don't pay off your balance within the interest-free period, additional fees can stack up quickly. These include processing charges, late fees of 5% on missed payments, and a foreign transaction fee of around 3%. The card also doesn't allow ATM withdrawals, which limits its use as a full financial tool. Another important point is that although the Atome card functions similarly to a credit card, it doesn't report to traditional credit bureaus like TransUnion. Instead, it reports to CB, which may not help build a strong credit profile if you're aiming to apply for loans or credit lines elsewhere in the future. If you're looking for a flexible card with fewer requirements and want to manage your spending in installments, the Atome card could be a helpful tool. But if your goal is to build credit or avoid extra fees, it's essential to stay on top of your repayments and explore other credit-building options. If this review helped you decide whether the Atome credit card suits your needs, be sure to like the video, share it with someone exploring payment options, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.